DIYs. As Chriso, I'm up to the stage now of doing the bond breaker bandage. So it's the first coat. First coat of waterproof. This just adds strength. So you always do a coat first on the wall, which helps the bandage to stick, and then you paint or waterproof over it. I'll stuff that up a little bit. That's all right, no biggie, don't panic. Slap it down like that. And you're good to go. You always do 2 coats. I have done 3 in the past, and I use it as my slurry. But now I'm tending to waterproof a lot more on top of my screed these days. It's not very often now that I waterproof on the concrete and then put mud over the top. It's sort of a new thing, and I agree with it. The only thing with waterproofing over a screed is if you ever have to pull up a tile, you can damage your waterproof. So I'm a little bit against it in that way, but it has a lot more falls. Like a big fall is that you've got pre-slope, and when you're waterproof on a concrete floor and the people that waterproof all the time are still not doing it in Australia, and that's pre-fall, which I do agree with. Up the corner. On Monday, when I lay the floor, I'll be waterproofing this because it's still all too wet. I might be able to get a coat on it. I might be able to do it this afternoon as that glue dries, but not at the moment. Get your creases out. the best you can. I don't know where the petrol is to the generator because I'm running off a generator, and I'll have to text the owner, ask him where the petrol is, because I'm gonna need a fan, but I've still got a bit to go yet. He might turn up in the next hour and a half or so. Pull it down a little. Have a little bit of patience, DIYs, and you're good to go. Just adjust the camera a little. Okay. Yep. Let's do a little, where's my knife? Let's do a little corner piece. So you cut it like that, cut halfway through it, and then you're able to fold the sucker like that and make a corner. Okay? So we get that in there like that. You can buy pre-made corners. I haven't sort of worried about it too much. It's not that I'm tight. Just pop some on there so you can bring it around like so. But yeah, you can buy pre-made corners. I'm not a tight ass, but I just don't worry about it. I do my own. And there you have it. There you have it, folks. Okay. I've got to go. I'll go up there, and then I'll sign off. And I'll come back to it when I'm rolling. I'll come back to you. All right, good people. I'll see you soon. Take my glove off. That's why I wear gloves. No, so they don't get shitted up. Okay, we'll see you soon, everyone. Ciao.